Students, look at this picture. What do you understand while looking at this picture? Yes, students, this is a market scene. Here, a boy is purchasing few things from the shopkeeper or the girl. Isn't it fun? I think you also want to buy things or do shopping. Okay, let's do an activity which make you have fun, and we will also learn how to use money for purchasing different things of different prices. Students, you can use the mock money which is given at the back side of your maths book. Here in this video, we can use this mock money to purchase different items of our choice. Students, look at this pencil box. The cost of this pencil box is rupees 75. Now, look at this teddy bear. Its cost is rupees 240. Now, look at this. It is a body lotion and its cost is rupees 1000. Now look at this stuffed dog. Its cost is 353. Now look at this decoration piece and its cost is 572. Now students, let's start our activity. Now, if you want to buy this pretty teddy bear, you have to pay rupees 240. So, for paying rupees 240, you have to arrange the money. Now tell me, which notes will you take to pay rupees 240? Now, let's make the combination. One note of 100, one more note of 100, it will become rupees 200. Now for 40, you can take one note of 20, one more note of 20. Total 240. Now this combination will make rupees 240. And if you want to purchase this pencil box, you have to pay rupees 75. So now you have to make the combination of rupees 75. Now look at the notes. Now tell me, which notes will you take to pay rupees 75? So for paying rupees 75, first of all you will take one note of 50, one note of 20, 50 plus 20, 70. And then you can take one note of 5. Or you can take coin also. So 50 plus 20 plus 5 will make rupees 75. Now students, if you want to purchase this body lotion, you have to pay rupees 1000. And for this, you can pay two notes of 500. 500 plus 500 is equal to 1000. You can pay two notes of 500 to purchase this body lotion. And for purchasing this stuffed dog, you have to take three notes of 100. And for 53, you can take two notes of 20. You can take two notes of 20 and one note of 10. And for rupees 3, we can take the coins. We will take the one coin of 2 and one coin of rupees 1. So, let's count 1, 2, 3, 300, 340, 350, 352 and 353. So, when we add this money, it will become rupees 353. Now, I hope you have understood how to purchase the things of different amount by using different combinations of currency notes.